Land Rover Discovery owners with 2016 model. Do you also want to realize the function of mobile phone screen projection in the infotainment system in the car? The current solutions on the market are based on the small screen of the original car, adding a domestic aftermarket decoder. But have you ever encountered various problems such as black screen, freeze, blurry screen, and delay? Today this car owner also encountered the same problem, so he came to us and replaced the small screen of the original car with the original 2019 Discovery body. A large screen system is equipped with the top model. Let's compare it and see what physical buttons are on the left and right sides of the original car. All of them here are high-end models with a 10-inch larger display, and then there are also high-end models that have been replaced. The host has built-in navigation, a new frame, a USB base, and a new power amplifier screen. We also included the original 360 camera retrofit kit. After a while, let's take a look at the effect after installation. We have finished installing the large screen. Let's see if the overall effect is much better than the previous small screen. Then we mainly look at the instrument first. The instrument has changed. It has become a new type. The circle menu has much richer information than the previous one, and the style is much better. Then we OK at the central control. This is the original navigation. There is no need for us to insert it. Card or upgrade. We have upgraded to the latest data here. The whole journey is 9.1 kilometers and takes about 18 minutes. The navigation is sounded through the speakers of our REG. Now car. It does not look like something made in China. A small speaker is added, and then let's take a look at the radio here, and then we can also cast the screen. Our Apple phone can directly play CarPlay, and then it can be switched over in seconds. The CarPlay on Apple's phone is also very smooth. Including this, there are also songs on the side. Let's play another song. The speakers are more powerful than before, because our amplifier wattage is much larger than before. Let's take a look again and look at the original factory reverse. This is what the original 360 added later is quite clear, and we can also switch it manually. All this set of things are original systems, and there is no doubt about the compatibility, including the fact that we have also enabled our S-Track mode for customers. In this mode next, the instrument backlight of our original car will turn red. If you also have a 2016 model Discovery, why not come OEM upgrade it as soon as possible? We will supply all the OEM spare parts upgrade kit with wiring harness, remote coding support. Learn more details from JLR-retrofit.com. Thank you.